Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Ordi BRC20. It's easy to do this, and in this tutorial video we're going to be working with the centralized exchange OKX. So once you've opened up the OKX mobile app, make sure you have an account there. If you do not have an account, use our link to register and verify. And when you register and verify, you stand a chance to claim $10,000 worth of mystery boxes. Okay guys, and in order to buy the Ordi coin, you could either select the deposit icon here, which is to deposit cryptocurrency, or select the P2P trading, which is basically buying cryptocurrency to use. So if you have some cryptocurrency outside of the OKX exchange, click on the deposit icon and simply deposit any cryptocurrency of your choice according to what you have. So let's say you've got some Ethereum, you could simply click on the Ethereum and select the network you wish to deposit in. And once you've deposited, you could make use of the Ethereum. Then as for the P2P option, you could simply click on P2P, click on buy crypto, and now we can simply purchase cryptocurrency to be used to buy the Ordi coin. So let's say you want some USDT, you could simply buy USDT in your native currency, and once you've selected a payment method, all you need to do is simply add your payment method and it's done. Now with your cryptocurrency deposited, head over to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, scroll from the overview to the funding or trading, depending on where your crypto is stored. As you can see, we've got some Ethereum here. So how can we turn our Ethereum into the Ordi? We can do that through the convert option. So at the top left corner of the screen, click on the icon, scroll down and select convert. Once you selected convert, we have our Ethereum here. So in the place of Bitcoin, simply search for Ordi. Click on the ordinal, click on the amount you wish to convert and simply click on preview conversion and simply convert. Converted. So once you click on view assets, we can head over to the funding wallet, perform a reload, and you find the Ordi on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.